And the snow is still coming. I was back out and cleaned off the solar arrays again for the homestead. This is why I have a big Jeep with huge tires. This thing's like my tank. All right, we're gonna see how much snow we've got. Look at that, huh? Seems like more than that, but that is a solid 8 inches. This is my brand new Subaru Crosstrek, and yes, it is brand new, all-wheel drive, so it won't have any problems probably getting in and out of here. So you can see it's even got the new tag on it. You know, anyway, if when I need to get out of here to get to work, that's definitely going to do the job. It's the Wilderness, so it's got the bigger off-road tires on it. Yep, and it is brand new, and I gave more than $300 for it, or was it $2,000 or $5,000 or $7,000, and it definitely beats the hell out of a mobility scooter in the snow.